Learning as far as ED action is concerned. What have they found as far as money laundering is concerned?
Well, we are hearing that the case is reaching a concluding stage right now, and this is something that top sources have confirmed to us, Shivani, and we can confirm to our viewers that on the ED investigation, we're expecting action, a development likely in the next 2 or 3 days. What top sources have also told Republic TV is that they have found proof, and this is conclusive proof, and the action could be severe. They're not ruling out arrest. They're not saying what it is, but they're not ruling out arrest. This is something that I can confirm to our viewers, that topmost sources in the Enforcement Directorate, which has of course been roped in by several state governments and also the centers monitoring the investigation, the ED has stumbled upon something big, and they're expecting to take decisive action soon, and this comes on the back of the Narcotics Control Bureau investigation as well. The NCB itself has been probing Riya Chakrabarti and her brother Shovik, and the entire drug net is under custody right now. Now, the Narcotics Control Bureau investigation is limited to of course the drugs angle, which is significant but a small angle. It is a very small angle, Shivani. We know that it's just a small angle, which of course is very significant, but it is being investigated as a drug cartel faces a crackdown. But the real angle will be on the homicide angle, on whether it was murder, and this is something that we are expecting will come to light in the course of the next few days. Now the timeline, we also have an idea of the timeline. In the next 2 to 3 days, before Friday or by Friday, we are told that decisive action will be taken by the Enforcement Directorate as well. Whether it is arrest, we don't know. What this action entails, we don't know, but the Enforcement Directorate has been looking at the financial angle, details of which we have broadcast on Republic TV. And these are details that also include some charges that were made of embezzlement, possible embezzlement, and possible role of all the firms that were under the scanner, in which directors and co-directors were Riya and Shovik Chakrabarti. And also the bank statements that we accessed, in which you could clearly see a pattern of spending, in which a lot of money was spent on Riya as well. A few days back, we also had another testimony of someone who was an insider say that they had details and also of how Riya had bought the car using Sushant's money. Now, these are testimonies, but we believe the Enforcement Directorate has some conclusive proof on this, and we're expecting action in the course of the next few days. Friday is what we are hearing, but we'll have to wait and watch. Handing it back to you.
Yes, but Niranjan, of course, while a lot of the bank statement details, Republic TV was the very first to bring out to the public, and of course they show certain transactions. Important will be if they have found money laundering, because that's a very separate charge, isn't it? What are you learning on that?
Well, absolutely, and I'll tell you something. The financial angle, the statements themselves, Shivani, and you were also there when we reported it. The statements themselves didn't have didn't show much of the spending. But what we are hearing is that there is a much deeper link that was studied, and these links include the pattern of directorships in some of the companies and those who are directors. And let's not forget, several of those directors who are involved, apart from Shovik and Riya, have also been examined at the same time by the CBI. Some of the co-directors from INSAI, people like Varun Mathur, all of these people have been examined by the CBI as well. So we're expecting some movement on that front. It's not just about the statements.
Yes, not to forget, just yesterday, one of the chartered accountants of Sushant Singh Rajput was also being spoken to by the CBI in this case. And as I mentioned earlier, Niranjan, a lot of the facets are overlapping. So the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate, if money is an angle that is the cause or related to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput as well, then obviously all of that becomes tied with the agency's work. Drugs also with regards to that angle also. Remember here also that the Europe trip that the actors took is something that has been seen as a turning point. And it's after that a lot of the allegations are being made by those who knew both Riya and Sushant Singh Rajput very closely, and the way that they functioned, especially financially. We'll leave it